No, this is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see through the rear mirror, but those buildings at one point, I actually have them on film. A video actually with them like still at the ground floor of them being built. That's actually crazy on the amount of progress that they made. The building's actually done, what, a couple months later. That's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, a whole year later, that's crazy. That shit is done. Usually here in New York, sometimes it takes fucking years just for them to put up a building, but they threw this one up fast as hell, bro. We're about to go hop on the highway. We're almost on the highway, and then I'll see you at the spot.
Sittin' throwin' rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sittin' throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning.
Wow, it did a fucking amazing job. It fucking smells like day and night in here. Wow. That was my first time ever getting it like hand washed like that. I usually would take it to like the car wash, but them niggas, they do some dumb shit. They don't be cleaning this shit right, but this shit is clean right. Highly recommend. Check out the Instagram down below. 100% highly recommend. They have a whole bunch of different packages for anybody looking to spend ranging from, I believe, $40 to $300 in car wash. Go ahead and check them out, and I promise you won't be disappointed. All right, let's get back on the ride.